Hey guys, so today I'm going to be going over my hospital and delivery bag with you guys. So I'm going to be giving you tips throughout the video. Typically you stay 2 to 4 days depending on how your delivery goes. And it's always a good idea to call ahead of time and see exactly what the hospital will provide you with. Typically, all hospitals provide you with diapers, wipes, shampoo for the baby, baby comb, bulb syringe for the baby, pads, underwear, things like this. Your hospital will provide that for you, but it's always a good idea to call and check ahead of time so you're sure. I recommend bringing 4 bags, 1 for you, 1 for baby, 1 for your support person, and 1 for snacks. The reason I say to bring snacks is because typically mom is taken care of when she needs to eat or whatnot, but the support person or dad or whoever your support person is, they will not have the same opportunities for you. As well as some hospitals have select meal times that you can only eat between such and such time, and you may get hungry outside of that. So you might want to consider bringing a snack bag for you and your support person. Okay, let's see what I have in my bags. Okay, so we're going to start with mom's bag first. So the first tip I have for you right off the bat is to roll your clothes up when you put them in your bag. It saves space and it makes packing your bag, if you're using a duffel bag like I am, a lot easier. So the first thing you're going to want to bring is you're going to want to bring a labor and delivery gown. Now, the hospital does provide some for you if you want to wear that, but I don't find those comfortable and I don't like my back end hanging out, so I bring a labor and delivery gown. Then pajamas, and I bring a robe to cover up with because people will be entering your room in and out. Then I have 5 outfits. I pick 5 because I like a little variety. And then you're going to want to bring your slips and your undergarments. The hospital will provide mesh undies for you, but sometimes you might want to wear your regular own undies, so that is why I am bringing my own. Then you're going to want to bring some comfy bras. I bring slippers because I do not like the hospital socks. I like to have some slippers. And then you're also going to want to bring any chargers you need for your phone, your laptop, or anything else. I have my phone charger and my Clarisonic charger. You are also going to need some toiletries. I got this off of HSN. It's a Joy Mangano bag, and it opens up like this. And you can have different sections for all your toiletries. So I'm bringing breast pads and regular pads because I may not want to wear the big giant pads that they provide at the hospital. With my breast pads, here's tip number 2. If you buy disposable breast pads and your bra comes with pads, you can take the pad out of your bra and stick your breast pad in here and use them as breast pads so it doesn't lose stick. Okay, tip number 3. When you have your toiletries, I put mine in empty bottles. This is a maple syrup bottle, but what's in it is lotion. So instead of carrying a full size to the hospital, you can use empty bottles that you have at the house and put whatever you need in them. So this one was a face wash, but what's in it is actually body wash. So I do that. And then as well, you might think about buying a travel size deodorant or maybe a travel size toothpaste to go in your bag. And tip number 5 for mom's bag is a list. Now, I put together a list to pack my bag, but this is the list that I keep on my refrigerator, and you can keep it wherever is more convenient for you, but for me it's my refrigerator. And it's the couple items that I am not going to be buying extras of, or that I can't put in my bag right away. So that would be my phone, my face moisturizer, face wash, my notebook, my hairbrush, my Clarisonic, and perfume. Then when I go into labor, I have just a short list of a couple items that I know where they're all at, that I can easily grab and put into my bag. Then, tip number 6 is you might want to think about bringing some sort of entertainment for yourself. Whether it's your laptop or whatever, I am choosing to bring a book and a few magazines that I like to read that I have not read yet. So I bring this because when you're in the hospital, you typically cannot leave. So watching TV may get boring and you may want to do something else. I like to read, so I am going to be bringing some reading materials for my stay in the hospital. Okay, let's talk about baby's bag now. Very, very simple. So obviously a bag. I'm going to be using that bag over there. And I have, again, 5 different outfits for the baby. 2 hats that match the outfits. I brought 3 Spitzy rags, or some people call them receiving blankets. I do that for when you burp the baby, it might spit up and whatnot. So I bring 3 of them just so that way if one's dirty, I can put it in a bag and have a fresh one. 2 pairs of socks. Now I have 2 different swaddles. I'm bringing 2 in case one gets spit up on, peed on, pooped on, etc. It's nice to have a backup. And then blankets. I'm bringing 2 different blankets for one reason and one reason only. The weather in my state has been very unpredictable. One day it's 30 below, the next day it's been 30 above. So I'm bringing 2 separate blankets because I don't know what the weather will be like on the day that the baby is going to come home. So I have one that's a little more airy and then one that's a little more fuzzy and thicker. Okay, tip number 7. You may have noticed that the baby bag had a lot of extra space in it. This is because you don't need to bring diapers or wipes, things like this, because your hospital should already have them. And the thing is, anything in the hospital room, the pads, the diapers, the wipes, your insurance has already paid for. So when you bring your baby home, you are also allowed to bring those items home because, as I said, your insurance or you have already paid for it after the delivery. So leave extra space in your baby bag to bring the diapers and wipes and things home. Okay, as always, thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and the little bell to be notified when I post a new video. If you like the video, you can leave a thumbs up. And I hope that I provided you with some tips and good ideas and tricks for your hospital and delivery stay. Thanks. Bye.